Yes. Hello everyone, this is Dr.Nagendra from Vishal Overseas. Welcome to our channel. Now we are at Yaroslavl State Medical University, accredited by Ministry of Healthcare. Yaroslavl is located just 3 hours far from Moscow. I can see them. I can see the city standards up to the Moscow, because whichever cities are near to the Moscow, they try to imitate like that. So the city is very beautiful. Uh-huh. So I had a university visit recently, and the infrastructure is also a gold level infrastructure. And when comes to the academic point of view, uh, many students have these questions. So I'd like to clear these questions from the student side. First, I would like to know the duration and the medium of instruction of the program.
Yeah, so the program lasts 6 years,
6 years.
including internship,
Okay.
and all 6 years are taught in English.
All 6 years are taught in
Yes.
English medium. And as per my knowledge, I know the first 3 years will be theoretical studies, and from third year or fourth year, the student starts to go to the hospital. So in hospital, I understand the student needs to know Russian in order to communicate with the patient, nurses, and everything. But what about his education? What about his examinations and the lectures taught? Will that be in English language or Russian?
Yeah, everything is in English. Everything is in English. So professors taught in English. They speak English. Exams they are also in English. Yeah, they learn Russian as the second language, so they know how to communicate in the city, in the everyday life, but not in the studies. So it's just a secondary language they try to acquire.
That's good, because I have seen some universities use translators. Like the professors, they can't speak English, so there will be a translator this side, and it would be a complete distraction for the students to look this and this. And when you have an English speaking professor, it really helps. And Yaroslavl is up to the standard. We are very happy to know this. And coming to the clinical point of view, Yaroslavl has the city hospitals all over. So the university has contracts and tie-ups with the city hospitals.
Yeah, that's right. We have a lot of contracts with most of the hospitals in the city.
So the government hospitals.
Yeah, they are government owned, and some of them are government owned, some of them regional owned, but it's also part of the government. Yes, and all our, not all, most of our practical departments, they are located in the hospitals. So they have study rooms there, and as well they can go to their patients and practice in reality. Yeah.
Regarding first year anatomy, will do you have any cadavers available for the student? So the anatomy is taught on cadaver or mannequin?
Both ways. Yeah, yeah.
Mannequin for demonstration.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So we have a lot of mannequins, like modern ones, and we also have some cadavers. Yeah.
That's good. That's cadavers gives the courage to start medicine. That's where
Yeah, sure.
the student starts to be brave
Yeah.
from watching cadavers. Okay. And final thing, uh, regarding the licensing, according to the recent guidelines, the student has to be registered by the Ministry of Healthcare. Like, even yes, you will get registration because the university is under Ministry of Healthcare.
Yes.
So registration is automatically done. So when it comes to the license, student needs to clear an accreditation exam, right? So right now I understand that is in Russian language. So for those students who are studying English medium, are there any possibilities of conducting this accreditation exam in English in future?
Yeah, I think in future it will be possible, because right now we just started this program, so we don't have any 6 year students who are studying in English. But as we progress, I think we will have accreditation in English in the future. Yeah, probably.
అదే ఎందుకంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టార్ట్ చేసి లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి స్ట్రిక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు మొత్తం. ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నుంచి వాళ్ళకి కూడా సెన్స్ వచ్చిందనమాట. రేపు మొత్తం ఇంగ్లీష్లో పెడుతున్నప్పుడు ఇది ఎందుకు పెట్టకూడదని. Do you have the accreditation center in the university?
Yeah, the accreditation center is a part of our university. Yeah, so students from our university can pass the accreditations, and some students from other universities they also come here.
So వీళ్ళకి ఆ ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్ కూడా యూనివర్సిటీలోనే ఉంటుంది. ఎవరైతే ఇక్కడ చదువుతారో ఇక్కడే ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తారో అది వీళ్ళ చేతిలో ఉంటుంది. అది ఇంగ్లీష్లో పెట్టాలా, రష్యన్లో పెట్టాలా, కంప్లీట్ కంట్రోల్ యూనివర్సిటీ చేతిలో ఉంది. సో దీని గురించి ఎలాంటి భయం లేదు. Currently Russia is the only country which is satisfying all the NMC rules up to the standard. So thank you so much, and there are a lot of Indian students here too. What message would you like to give for our for our upcoming students?
Yeah, we are very welcome to see you here.
Okay.
We try to provide everything for you and to make you stay comfortable here. And I hope you like our city. It's a very beautiful city. It's very touristic place. Cultural, yeah. A lot of old buildings here. So students who are already studying here, they say that they really like it here. So yeah, and I hope our future students will like it here too.
Sure. I believe in this university. I surely recommend this kind of university to my students. And thank you for your time and your patience in visiting the university and everything. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.